All right, just a quick thought on silver and gold. It's been a while since I've been a regular buyer and holder of the metals. Never sold any silver, sold a little bit of gold, but a lot of what I bought was in 2009, so mid-teens value. So I kept a lot of my receipts. Here's a 14 1-ounce rounds at $13.90 an ounce, so $200. Walk in a local coin shop, walk out with 14 ounces of silver. $14.33 an ounce, $20.75. This one's $14.30. So I did have the silver ETF. I never really liked that. I liked having the physical coins and bullion in hand. Made some money on the ETF. Ended up putting that into silver miners just because I thought that was more interesting. They're depressed quite a bit, and maybe one day that will pay off. Being a younger person, I don't mind. It's all a long-term perspective anyways. I've always been good about keeping the emotion out. I know some people don't always do that, and they panic and sell when they shouldn't, or buy when the market's hot. But mainly I think the emotion for me, that's always be diversified. I know you read about some people that are all in on metals or 50% in, and that takes a strong will and commitment, and I've never followed that principle, and I don't always win them. I'm down. Used to get a lot of junk silver on eBay. This is a 29 standing Liberty quarter for $4.36, so the melt value on that, it's like $3.60, so down 30% on that or something. But as we're right at that $19, $20 silver, I'm kind of questioning, what point do I want to start stacking again? I just been using my extra money for some other things, paying down my mortgage extra every month, and boosting some retirement funds. So yeah, I don't know. It's always that's I guess always that question in life. You never know. You can't second guess. I think the main thing for people is just make sure you're saving something, whether it's in the metals, whether it's silver or gold. Just save something. I still know people that they don't save anything still. It just doesn't cross their mind. So I don't get that. But for me, it's always save and diversify, and don't beat yourself up if you lose a little. Can't win them all. I guess I heard advice once that there's 4 ways you can look at an investment. You can make a lot of money, you can make a little money, and you can lose a little money, and you can lose a lot of money. And it's that 4th one you never want to really deal with. If your losses are mounting, you just got to sell and get out while you can. Lose a little money in the long run feels better than losing a lot of money. And when you can make a little money, take a little off the table. Not everything's a home run either. I think that's the difficult thing for us all. The emotion involved in all this doesn't always make it easy. But if you have your convictions, and if you're just comfortable with that, it can hold it all in check, then that's a good thing to have. A lot of people never can have that.